Adiel Gorel has helped thousands secure their retirement riches. Even the great Warren Buffett wrote him needing to know more. The answers are all here for you. Welcome to the Remote Control Retirement Riches Show.
So my name is Adiel Gorel. I'm the CEO of a company by the name of ICG, stands for International Capital Group. We've been doing this, or I should say that I've been doing it for 39 years. And no, I didn't start when I was 1 year old. 39 years, next year 40 years. And I think I told the story of how I got started quite a few times in the past. My background is in Silicon Valley, high tech. I taught at the university there, electrical engineering and computer science, very tech. Then I got my first real job in Silicon Valley at Hewlett Packard Labs. I was living in Palo Alto. Hewlett Packard Lab and Stanford are maybe 2 miles apart, less, very near. And I got much more, Hewlett Packard paid me much more than Stanford did. So I thought I was being extremely well paid, and I thought, wow, this will really secure my future in 20 or 30 years working here. But when I talked to colleagues who have been working there for 20 or 30 years, I saw nothing was secure in their future financially. They just had a 401k in their own home with a mortgage. That's it. So I said, no, I can't be like this. I am going to start investing in rental homes. And back there in the 1980s, there was a saying, only invest within 30-minute drive of where you live. I followed it. I was living in Palo Alto. I bought in Sunnyvale, in San Jose. Very quickly, I realized I couldn't build an empire investing in Silicon Valley, because even in the 1980s, even though all the numbers were much lower, the ratio between rent and price in Silicon Valley was not friendly at all. It's still not friendly. It wasn't friendly back then. So I said, I'm going to have to break this rule. And I went to a smaller city called Las Vegas, and it took me some time. I needed to find a property management firm that I felt comfortable with, because I was living in California. And then a broker who would work with me. And I started buying at quite a good clip. After I bought 22 homes, strangely, many of my Silicon Valley friends said, can you help us do the same? I said, you don't need my help, just go and do it. They said, no, you're already there, you've bought more than 20 homes, you have your manager. So I led a group of people, and over a few years, we bought about 250 homes in Vegas, not as a group. She bought 6 homes, he bought 4 homes, I bought 2 more. But we made the almost trivial discovery that even the engineer who was very scared and bought just one little home as a test enjoyed the clout, the power of 250 homes. Because if he wasn't happy, or she, as the case might be, the managers knew they would call me. And now I wouldn't be happy. And every other property manager in Vegas was calling me all the time. Come to us, we are better, we are cheaper. So the manager knew if even one investor wouldn't be happy, they stand to lose the entire management of 250 homes, plus the many, many dozens, if not hundreds of homes that we might buy in the future. Thanks for joining me today. Click the subscribe button for more video on real estate. Got a question or comment? I love questions and comments. Leave yours below. And here's another video you've got to see.